Hello viewers, and for you today I have another coin from my collection. This is going to be a United States half dollar from 1861. This is an 1861 S coin. This is the Seated Liberty half dollar. They were minted between 1839 and 1891. It is approximately 90% silver. It weighs 12.4 grams and is 30.6 millimeters in diameter. As you can see, the edge is rated. This is the reverse of the coin. It shows an eagle with arrows and olive branches and talons. With the lettering United States of America, half DOL for dollar. And I'll show you the obverse. This is the obverse. It depicts a seated Liberty looking right above her shoulder with a cap on a stick and a shield and 13 stars around the edge. These coins had a diameter of 30.6 millimeters. And that one is, which would be almost 31 millimeters. This should have a weight of 12.44 grams. And this one's coming in at 11.7, which is almost 12. And given the fact that it's fairly worn, that seems like an accurate weight. So this is one of my favorite United States coins that I do have. And I didn't quite pay $70 for it. I bought it in a set of coins. But I think nonetheless it's still a very nice coin. As faded as it is, it's still worth $70. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. You subscribing helps me to make this channel grow and helps me make even more videos. So please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.